Hey folks, today we're going to talk about worksheets 1A and 1B. So 1A is really short. If you remember, 1A is simply talking about monatomic versus diatomic, and we talked about the Brinkelhoff elements. So our Brinkelhoff elements, let me write them all the way down here. If I can manage to find my pen. Brinkelhoff, B-R-I-N-C-L-H-O-F. So these are the things that are diatomic when found in nature, when they are simply elements. So what are they? Well, they're bromine and iodine and nitrogen and chlorine. Sorry, stop that. And chlorine and hydrogen and oxygen and fluorine. So the ones that I have circled are your diatomic elements. Everything else is not. So if you find aluminum in nature, it's just going to be Al. Argon is Ar. Arsenic is As. Bromine is Br2. Chlorine is Cl2. So the ones that are circled are diatomic. You need to memorize those. Make sure you know them. There are 7 of them. All right. So what we're now going to do is we're going to take word equations and we're going to turn them into symbols. Now we're not going to worry about balancing them. That's going to come later. But we're just trying to get the words into symbols. Right? So when we look at number 1, we're talking about iron, which is Fe. And it's heated in the presence of sulfur, and it's a solid. And it forms iron 3 sulfide. So that's Fe, and sulfide is S, and it's iron 3. So iron has a 3 plus charge, and sulfur has a 2 minus charge, so they crisscross. So it's Fe2S3, and it tells you that it's a solid. So you put that there and start this off at least as a solid. Okay? All right, gaseous methane. So that's CH4, and that's a gas. Is reacted with oxygen gas, so that's O2. Ah, yes, it's one of those Brinkelhoff elements, so it's O2, it's not just O. To form carbon dioxide, that's CO2, and water vapor. So water vapor is a gas, and carbon dioxide is a gas. So that's our equation. Number 3. Aqueous copper chloride. Copper 2 chloride, that means copper has a 2 plus charge, chlorine has a 1 minus charge, so it's CuCl2, is added to, that's aqueous, and it's added to lead nitrate, lead 2 nitrate. So lead is plus 2, nitrate's minus 1, so that means I need 2 nitrates. And it tells you it's aqueous. And it forms, let me put that down here just so I have more room, it forms solid lead 2 chloride, that's PbCl. Pb has a 2 plus, chlorine has a minus 1, so that has to be PbCl2. And it's solid, plus aqueous, copper, nitrate. So that's Cu for copper. Nitrate is NO3. I'm having a horrible time with this pen. Cu, NO3. Because it's copper 2, copper has a 2 plus charge, nitrate a minus 1. So it's copper, nitrate, Cu, NO3, 2, and it's aqueous. Number 4, chlorine gas. Oops, be careful. Chlorine is Brinkelhoff. So chlorine gas is Cl2, and it's bubbled into aqueous sodium bromide. NaBr plus 1 minus 1, so they cancel each other out, and it's aqueous. To form aqueous sodium chloride, NaCl plus 1 minus 1, they cancel each other out. And liquid bromine. Bromine, again, is one of the Brinkelhoff elements. And so it is Br2. And it's liquid. Okay. Solid silver. I wish I knew why it did that. Solid silver, Ag, which is solid, is added to aqueous gold 3 chloride. Gold is Au. Chlorine is Cl, but it's Au3, and chlorine's -1. So that means I need 3 chlorines to form gold, which is a solid, and aqueous silver nitrate. Sorry, that's gold, which is a solid, Au, plus aqueous silver chloride. +1, -1, they cancel each other out, and I forgot to write that this was aqueous over here. And it's going to drive me nuts. Alright, I think this is the last one. Gaseous ammonia. Gaseous ammonia is NH3, and it's a gas. And it's bubbled into water, which I am assuming is a liquid, to form aqueous sodium, aqueous ammonium. NH4 is ammonium. NH4 is ammonium, and hydroxide is OH. So NH4OH, and it is aqueous. Okay. Sorry guys, my pen was acting up. I'll try and fix that before the next one. Alright? That's it. If you have questions, see me in class or see Miss Sherman. Have a good day. Bye-bye.